Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the most essential tool in fashion designing. All right, so today I'm going to show you how to read a measurement tape. Okay, so first of all, it is of two sides. This is the inches side and this is the centimeter side. Okay, now this centimeter side runs down to 120 centimeters, I think. Yeah, 150 centimeters, while the inches side is 60 inches. In this part of the world, we use the inches side. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to read and understand a measurement tape. Okay, so let's get into it quickly. Using this as an example, let me try to zoom this in. From this point to this point is called an inch. 1 inch, that's from here to here is 1 inch, from here to here is 2 inch. So these numbers representing these lines is inches. Okay, from here to here is 1 inch. So using this example now, this from here to here, these long lines as an example, this long line to the next long line is 1 inch. Okay, now this 1 inch, in 1 inches we have 8. Okay, they are divided into 8, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Hope you can see that. So this first one is called 1/8. 1/8, that's 1/8. Okay, now this second one is called quarter of an inch, which is also 2/8. Okay, now like I said, this is 1/8, this is quarter of an inch, which is also 2/8. All right, now this is 3/8. Okay, this is 3/8, while this is half of an inch. This is half of an inch. Okay, which can as well be called 4/8, but we regularly call it half of an inch. So this is 1/8, this is quarter of an inch, this is 3/8, and this is half of an inch. Now the next one is called 5/8. This one right here is called 5/8, while this one is called 3/4. This one is called 3/4. Okay, which is equally the 6/8, right? This is 6/8, but is also called the 3/4. Okay, now this one, the seventh one, is called 7/8. This is called 7/8, while this one is called an inch. So this is an inch, 1 inch. Okay, hope you understand. Like I said before, let me repeat myself. This is an inch, from here to here is an inch. Now it is divided into 8. This is 1/8, this is quarter, this is 3/8, this is half, this is 5/8, and this is 3/4. This is 7/8, and this is 1 inch. Okay, now other honorable mentions is from here now to this point is known as all right, so other things you need to know about a tape is what we call a yard, half yard, and half quarter. All right, so a yard is 36 of an inch, 36 inches starting from the beginning point. The starting point to this point is called 36, which is 1 yard. Okay, and now half yard is obviously 36 divided by 2, which is 18 inches. Okay, and now the half quarter is 9 inches. All right, so now this is the basics, the major things you need to know about the measurement tape. In my next video, I will be talking more about it, and we'll be doing a video on how to measure for shirts, trousers, and other most important things you need to know in fashion designing. Okay, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.